The Ferrari 812 GTS is back for 2025, redefining open-top performance with a perfect blend of speed, luxury, and raw power. Welcome to Auto Review, where we dive deep into the latest automotive masterpieces, and today, we explore every detail of the new Ferrari 812 GTS, a convertible grand tourer that pushes the limits of Ferrari engineering. At the heart of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an exhilarating 830 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque. This beast revs all the way up to 9,500 RPM, delivering a spine-tingling soundtrack that only a Ferrari V12 can provide. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring seamless shifts and blistering acceleration. This convertible rocket launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 340 km/h, making it one of the fastest open-top production cars in the world. One of the most impressive features of the 812 GTS is its retractable hardtop roof, which transforms the car from a sleek coupe to a breathtaking convertible in just 14 seconds, even at speeds of up to 45 km/h. The engineering behind this system ensures that the car maintains its aerodynamics and structural rigidity without compromising performance. Unlike traditional convertibles, Ferrari has designed the 812 GTS to offer the same exhilarating driving experience as its coupe counterpart, the 812 Superfast, while allowing